Components of a chart. Chart title. It describes the main aim and content of the chart. X-axis. It is the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also called the category axis. Y-axis. It is the vertical axis of the chart. It is also called the value axis. Plot area. It is the rectangular area bounded by the two axes. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Data series. It is related to the set of values. It is represented by the bars or slices that represent the data values. Data labels. Labels include data value, category name, series name, legend keys and values from cells. Grid lines. These can be either horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. It makes it easier to read and understand the values. Legend. It is a key which shows the meanings of symbols and colors used in the chart. Chart area. It includes all the objects and elements of a chart.